When the MasterCraft design team put pen to paper to reintroduce the XT25 for model year 2024, their goal was to create the best 25-foot towboat on the market. Completely redesigned from the hull up, the XT25 delivers industry-leading behind-the-boat performance, increased ballast capacity, and best-in-class comfort for up to 18. Stick around to see how you can get more out of your summer with the XT25. Choose any MasterCraft and you're getting the best waves and wakes, comfort, reliability, and cutting-edge technology. So what makes the XT25 unique? As the largest model in the XT family, you're getting more of everything you want out of a towboat. Unlimited customizability, endless wave versatility, more seating options, more ballast, more storage, and the list just goes on. Let's go ahead and dive into the details. Beginning here at the transom, the XT25 features Surf Star, revolutionizing the surf experience thanks to its ability to effortlessly deliver thousands of wave options. From mellow and beginner-friendly to steep and powerful. Just select a rapid surf preset and watch as the XT25 automatically generates the perfect wave for any skill level. For those who like to fine-tune your wave, utilize the custom surf interface for full control of speed, ballast, and wake-shaping device position. Whether you're setting up for surfing, wakeboarding, or foiling on the XT25, you'll spend less time waiting and more time riding thanks to the optional fast fill ballast. The high-flow pumps used in MasterCraft's fast fill technology will fill or drain ballast in a matter of minutes. The XT25 comes standard with underwater exhaust, substantially reducing engine noise and fumes to provide a more refined, pleasant experience for everyone on board. And for those of you who spend most of your time behind the wheel, you can now upgrade your XT25 with the most powerful stern thruster on the market, spinning the boat 360 degrees in under 30 seconds. Plus, the control is integrated into the throttle knob, so it's easily accessible, easy to use, and super intuitive. When it's time to get in and out of the boat, your crew can do so with ease, thanks to an optional flip-down swim step and a standard transom walkthrough. Not ready to get fully into the boat? Enjoy the XT25's integrated transom seating. The sliding base is standard and a flip-up backrest can be added to take your lounging to the next level. And with the storage trays under the transom rear hatches, you can easily access vests and ropes from either side of the transom. The XT25 boasts a spacious cockpit that is as comfortable as it is functional. The layout is U-shaped, making it ideal for socializing, and there's an optional convertible flip seat that allows passengers to enjoy conversations in the boat or watch the action behind it. When the flip seat is combined with the standard pop-up seat backs on the port and starboard sides, you have a full row of rear-facing seats to cheer on your rider. Beneath the interior seating, the XT25 has extensive under-seat storage and built-in cooler locations, all with hinged seating to make access effortless. Choose dark, rich colors to complement your custom design, knowing your interior will stay up to 30% cooler than standard marine vinyl, thanks to available cool feel upholstery. Speaking of colors, 2025 brings some exciting new upholstery and gel coat options to the MasterCraft palette so your XT25 can stand out from the rest. The XT25 comes standard with high-quality acoustic entertainment from Klipsch Audio. Our advanced audio package has 6 interior speakers and a subwoofer spread throughout the boat. Or take things up another notch with our premium audio package for additional dash speakers and a bonus subwoofer that provides even more bass. And the XT25 comes standard with 4 phone holders in the cockpit area that can all be upgraded to provide wireless charging. Moving on to the tower. The XT25 can be equipped with 3 different tower options, the Z6, the Z8, and the Z10. Each of these come with easy-to-use clamping board racks, or you can upgrade to the power board racks if that's more your style. Along with our convenient Bimini board storage, you have 10 spots for your boards. The Z8 and Z10 can be customized with colored inlays to seamlessly link your tower and gel coat design. And the Z6 is also now available in all black. Last but not least, you can elevate your behind-the-boat audio experience with the addition of up to 4 speakers on your XT25 tower. The XT25 helm area has gone through a complete redesign for 2025. A massive 12-inch touchscreen is now standard, and the entire helm has a much more modern and clean aesthetic. The redesign also maximizes the space between the top of the dashboard and the windshield header, providing a larger viewing window for the captain. While the hardware upgrades are beautiful, we also reworked the entire user interface to make it even more intuitive and customizable. A rudder position sensor has also been added for an enhanced driving experience. Additionally, to make on-the-fly changes easier than ever before, we designed MasterCraft MyDrive, a rotary encoder that puts key controls at your fingertips. The hotkeys, coupled with the rotary dial, allow you to make effortless adjustments while keeping your eyes focused on what's ahead. And we didn't stop there. The 2025 XT25 has a new helm seat that offers unmatched ergonomics and comfort, as well as a more contemporary design. Below the dash, the XT25 features a standard wireless phone charger specifically for the captain. The XT25 sports a traditional bow that provides classic styling and tons of comfort, storage, and functionality. An open walkway leads into the bow, where you can also opt for a filler cushion if you prefer playpen seating. Thanks to the strategic subfloor ballast design, there's ample underseat storage in the bow, as well as dedicated anchor storage on centerline. The behind-the-boat experience on the XT25 is unmatched, but it's also worth mentioning that our team of naval architects designed the XT25 hull to deliver an unrivaled driving experience too. Our smooth, dry ride sets a new standard in the towboat segment. Using the best materials in the build process ensures that we deliver the best on-water experience, both for those inside the boat and those behind it. With the XT25, you also receive the option of a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your favorite colors, wheels, graphics, and you can even opt for fiberglass fenders, a backup camera, electronic brakes, or a tire pressure monitoring system for a premium towing experience. Now let's talk about what powers the XT25. This model now comes standard with our all-new 5.3-liter GDI high-output motor. It utilizes the latest in automotive technology to deliver 380 horsepower, 407 pound-feet of torque, a 4-star emissions rating, improved efficiency and power, and approximately 15% less fuel consumption than our legacy 6-liter engine. And it's all backed by the Ilmor name. We partner exclusively with Ilmor Marine to design our engines. They're known for hand-building race car engines, and they are highly revered for both their performance and endurance in the racing industry. That's precisely why MasterCraft's engines are backed with an unrivaled warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. If you're looking for even more power, the XT25 can also be outfitted with our 6.2-liter supercharged engine that produces 630 horsepower and 665 pound-feet of torque. Plus, all 2025 XT models come with a new fresh air intake, which means more power, better efficiency, and improved performance even on the hottest days. Our dedication to quality and reliability doesn't stop once a MasterCraft boat leaves the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the world to ensure that you get the best customer experience out there. Thanks to standard onboard telematics, our dealers can now remotely monitor your boat's vitals to keep up with your service needs. Telematics also allows you to check on your boat's health and status via the innovative MasterCraft Connect app. You can even switch off your battery remotely. Needless to say, our telematics platform leverages technology to place reassurance and convenience in the palm of your hand. Finally, rest assured, every XT25 comes standard with MasterCare. We're here to support you with a comprehensive 5-year, 500-hour warranty featuring minimal exclusions. Thanks for joining me today to explore the XT25. If you're interested in experiencing the MasterCraft difference for yourself, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head over to mastercraft.com.